Hello students, today's topic is law of natural growth or decay. This is just an application of first order differential equations. Naturally there is growth and decay in some substances. For example, bacteria. As time increases, bacteria increases. Radioactive materials. As time increases, the amount of the radioactive material decreases. Okay, this is growth or decay naturally. Okay, law of natural growth or decay. The rate of change of amount of a chemically changing substance rate of change of amount of a chemically changing substance is proportional to the amount of the substance available at that time. Okay, is proportional to amount of the substance available at that time. Okay, that substance getting converted chemically. Okay, let X be the amount of the substance. Let X be the amount of the substance at time t. At time t. Then rate of change of amount is proportional to the amount. That means dx by dt is proportional to x. Okay, we take dx by dt is equal to kx. Since there is proportionality, dx by dt equal to some constant into x. Okay, dx by dt equal to kx. If x increases as t increases, and we take dx by dt is equal to minus kx if x decreases as t increases. If x decreases as t increases. Okay, here k greater than 0. Okay, see the problem? The number n of bacteria in a culture grew at a rate proportional to n. The value of n was initially 100 and increased to 332 in 1 hour. What was the value of n? What was the value of n after 1.5 hours? Okay, so this, the number n of bacteria in a culture grew at a rate proportional to n. Given that the initial number is 100 and increased to 332 in 1 hour. What was the value of n after 1.5 hours? Okay, see the solution. Let n be the number of bacteria at time t. Okay, then dn by dt is equal to dn by dt equal to Kn. As time increases, the bacteria increases. Okay, dn by dt equal to Kn implies that dn by n is equal to kdt. Now integrating this, we get log n is equal to kt plus log c. Integral dn by n is log n. Integral dt is t plus some arbitrary constant, let it be log c. Okay. From this we get log n by c. Log n minus log c. Log n by c is equal to kt. Implies that n by c is equal to e power kt. Therefore, n equal to c e power kt. Let it be equation 1. N equal to c e power kt. Given that initial number of bacteria is 100, that means when t is 0, n equal to 100. When t equal to 0, n equal to 100. Substitute here 100 equal to c e power k into 0. T is 0. Okay. That is c equal to 100. Therefore, n equal to, substitute the value of c here, n equal to 100 e power kt. Okay. Let it be equation 2. The bacteria increased to 332 in 1 hour. That is, when t is 1 hour, n equal to 332. Okay. Therefore, substitute here 332 equal to 100 e power k into 1. T is 1 hour. Okay. Implies e power k equal to 332 by 100. That equal to 3.32. Implies that k equal to log 3.32. Okay. So let be equation 3. Now we have to find the number of bacteria after 1.5 hours. When t is 1.5 hours, that is 3 by 2. Have to find the value of n. Okay. From equation 2, so we have n equal to 100 e power kt. 100 e power k into, what is t here? 3 by 2. Okay. That is equal to 100 into e power 3 by 2 into, what is the value of k? Is log 3.32 from equation 3. Okay. This is equal to 100 into e power log 3.32 whole power 3 by 2. You know that n log x equal to log x power n. This is equal to 100 into 3.32 whole power 3 by 2. Since e power log x equal to x, okay, that is equal to 605 approximately. Okay. Therefore, after 1.5 hours, the number of bacteria is 605. Okay. See the next problem. Bacteria in a culture grows exponentially so that the initial number has doubled in 3 hours. How many times the initial number will be present? After 9 hours. Okay. bacteria in a culture grows exponentially so that the initial number has doubled in 3 hours. How many times the initial number will be present after 9 hours? Okay. See the solution. Let n be the number of bacteria. The number of bacteria at time t. Then dn by dt is equal to k. Okay. From this we get n equal to c e power kt. Already you know this. Okay. So let it be equation 1. N equal to c e power kt. Let the initial number of bacteria be some a. Okay. That is when t equal to 0, n equal to a. Okay. Therefore, from equation 1, n equal to a when t is 0, c e power k into 0. E power 0 means 1, that is c equal to a. Okay. Now substitute the value of c here. Therefore, n equal to a e power kt. That will be equation 2. N equal to a e power kt. Given that initial number of bacteria has doubled in 3 hours, that means when t is 3 hours, n equal to 2a. Okay. Therefore, from equation 2, substitute here, n equal to 2a is equal to a e power k into 3. Since t is 3, implies that e power 3k is equal to 2, which implies 3k is equal to log 2, implies k equal to 1 by 3 log 2. Let it be equation 3. K equal to 1 by 3 log 2. When t equal to 9 hours, what is the number of bacteria? When t is 9 hours, what is the value of n? Okay. From equation 2, so get n equal to a e power kt. Here t is 9. Okay. That is equal to a into e power 9 into what is the value of k? 1 by 3 log 2. 1 by 3 log 2. That is equal to a e power 3 cancel here. E power 3 log 2 is equal to a e power log 2 cube. Okay. Is equal to a into 2 cube. This is equal to a into 2 cube. Since this is e power log x equal to x. Okay. A into 2 cube means 8a. Okay. Therefore, after 9 hours, the number of bacteria is 8a, means 8 times the initial number. Therefore, 8 times the initial number of bacteria will be present after 9 hours. Will be present after 9 hours. Okay. Next problem. If 30% of a radioactive substance disappears in 10 days, how long will it take? How long will it take for 90% of it to 90% of it to disappear? Okay, 30% of radioactive substance disappear in 10 days. How much time is taken for 90% of it to disappear? Okay, see the solution. This is the case of natural decay. Okay. Let X be the amount of the substance, that means radioactive substance, at time t. At time t. Then dx by dt is equal to minus kx. Since this is natural decay, okay, implies that dx by x is equal to minus k dt. Integrating this, integral dx by x is log x is equal to integral k dt minus k into t plus some log c. Implies that log x by c, log x minus log c, log x by c is equal to minus kt. Which implies that x by c is equal to e power minus kt. Therefore, x equal to c e power minus kt. So let it be equation 1. X equal to c e power minus kt. Let the initial amount of the substance be some m. Let the initial amount of the substance be some capital M. That is, when time is 0, the amount of the substance is m. That is, when t is 0, x equal to m. Now substitute in equation 1. Therefore, m equal to, when t is 0, that means c into e power minus k into 0. E power 0 is 1. That is c equal to m. Therefore, substitute the value of c here. C equal to m. Therefore, x equal to m e power minus kt. That will be equation 2. Given that 30% of the initial amount disappears in 10 days. That is, 30% of initial amount is m. Disappears in 10 days. That is, when t equal to 10, that means 10 days, x equal to, x is the amount of the substance, x equal to, original amount is m minus 30% disappears, that means 30m by 100. This is 30% of the initial amount is equal to m minus 3m by 10, that equals 7m by 10. Okay, that is, when t equal 10 days, amount of the substance is 7m by 10. Okay, therefore, from equation 2, 7m by 10 is equal to m, x is 7m by 10, okay, is equal to m into e power minus k into, what is t here? 10. Implies that e power minus 10k, both sides m cancel, 7 by 10. Okay, implies that minus 10k is equal to log 7 by 10. Therefore, k equal to 1 by 10. If you put this minus on RHS, this becomes log 10 by 7. Okay, so let it be equation 3. Now I have to find how much time is taken for 90% of the initial amount to disappear. Okay, 90% of the initial amount means m. 90% of m is 90m by 100. That is 9m by 10. When x is m minus 9m by 10, that is 90% disappear means x equal to m minus 90%, that is m minus 9m by 10, that is equal to m by 10. Now I have to find the time. Okay. Now from equation 2, x equal to m e power minus kt. Okay, what is x here? M by 10 is equal to m e power minus kt. Implies that e power minus kt is equal to 1 by 10. Both sides m cancel. Implies minus kt is equal to log 1 by 10. Which implies that t equal to 1 by k. If I put this minus on RHS, log 10. So what is the value of k? 1 by 10 log 10 by 7. Substitute the value of k here. This becomes 10 log 10 by log 10 by 7. Okay. This is equal to 64.5 days. Okay. That means 64.5 days required for 90% of the initial amount to disappear. Okay. Okay students, thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.